Yeah, hi, all. Good afternoon, good evening. So today I'm going to talk about the importance of the Prowler tool and the AZSK tool, Azure Security DevOps Kit tool. So mainly the Prowler is an open source security tool, which will scans the Azure, AWS, and GCP environments, and it will help in identifying the security risks and the misconfigurations and any compilation violations. And and the outputs we can filter in the form of a CSV and HTML format. And here, so this is the Prowler website. So here, so this is the overview of the Prowler website, and here we can find the details of the findings here, and 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 uh, and, and here we can and here we can see the cloud providers like AWS and Azure and the Microsoft 365 and GCP and Kubernetes. So currently I have added the Azure source here, so it will, so we can add here. So after adding, it will ask the client ID, tenant ID. After that, it will scan jobs. So here we can find the scan jobs here. So like it will scan automatically for every 24 hours. So if so this, so like you can see here, so it will scan for every 24 hours. The jobs will be scanning for every 24 hours, and it will, so like it will provide the results in the overview. And this is the base, and so this is how it works. And so these are the setup in like how we can set up and how we can use it. Uh, and coming to the advantages, so basically it will, so basically it has a multi-cloud coverage. So like it will scans the securities for Azure, TCP, and Kubernetes, and and uh, and also it will have, like and it also have a like about of 1,000 built-in checks. So like so which will perform the custom checks. And the main advantage is like it will continuously monitoring the environments and the jobs, and it will instantly give a notification if any instant like if any issue occurs in the like that. And we can also integrate like seamlessly this follow tool into the DevOps pipelines and Sentinel pipeline and the CMS tools. And and uh, and this follow tool, it will not only highlight the issues, but it will rank the issues based on the severities, so that we can fix the issues, so like which are having risky. Yeah. And and also we can build the customized dashboards by using Power BI on which, and we can also like build executive dashboards and detailed drill downs for the board managements and the technical teams. And for this we can have, so we need to have the basic roles. So like at least we need to have a like the reader role. Uh, yeah. So the limitations of Prowler is that, so it will used to scan the entire subscription only. So like if you're having the 10 resources in the subscription, so like it will scan the entire the resources, but not the single resource group. Yeah. And but it will filter the CSV and HTML reports based on resource groups. So this is, yeah. So this is the limitations of the Prowler Azure. So to overcome that Prowler tool, like in order to scan the specific resource group, so we are using Azure Security DevOps Kit tool. So this tool, the main purpose is to scan the individual projects. So it will, so the Prowler tool, it will not scan individual projects. It will scan the entire subscriptions. So to overcome the problem, we are using the Azure Security DevOps Kit tool. So mainly it will scan the resource group. So like it will scan the entire subscription, and it will scan the specific resource group and also the individual resource groups. Yeah. So and these are the key features, and it will scan the like identity and access management and configurations, I mean configurations, and logging and monitoring and networking and the keyword policies. So mainly it will scan for the below parameters, like identify access management and like encryption settings if any occurs, and also logging and monitoring. So it will monitor continuously, and also the network security groups, like how strong they are, and also public exposure of the key vaults. Yeah. So this is how it works. So we need to install the tools. Yeah, this is, we can filter it here. And also here, the Prowler versus like AZSK, the comparison table. So basically, so these are the points, like I already told here. The like the Prowler tool, it will scans the whole subscription only, but AZSK, it will scan the entire subscription and as well as resource group and as well as the resource types. And the report types we can build, so report types are same, like CSV, so we can generate the reports based on, so we can download on the um, CSV type and HTML type, and also we can build the custom dashboard for it by using Dashly, Plotly, or also we can even build a Power BI report for that. Custom dashboards we can build with, so Dashly, Plotly, and scans. So it will be, so like it will, it will not scan a single so like the single resource group. So that's why here no, because it will not scan single resource group. It will scan the entire resource group. Yeah, here it will, so like in the area disk, it will scan the individual resource group or else the specific resource group. So that's why it is yes. And the roles required. So for scanning any the Polar tool or so so like uh, like AZSK tool, we need the contributor access for the Prowler and also just a reader access for the AZSK. So the reader access nothing but we cannot do anything. So but we can we can, so, like for the scanning we just need the reader access, but we cannot able to change anything in the subscriptions. Yeah, and the scriptables. So these are the main where we can scan it based on the Python CLI and Power. Yeah. So these are the importance of the Power tools and the disk tools. I hope you understood